Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I'm here today with a super quick recipe which will need just 5 simple ingredients and it will be ready in almost just 5 minutes. Yes, it's gonna be cheesy garlic bread sticks, which is gonna be super simple to make but super yummy, super cheesy. I really want you guys to try on this recipe because it will be ready in no time and you will surely enjoy it. And for those who are new to my channel, I welcome you all. I hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming uploads. Ingredients are given at the description box below. Please do check it out from there. So let's have a quick look at what do we need for this recipe. Here I'll be needing some fresh white bread slices. I've taken few, and this is shredded mozzarella cheese. And here I'll be needing 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, very finely chopped. You can even take parsley leaves if you like them. And 1 tablespoon of very finely garlic chopped. And this is around 100 grams of room temperature butter. Make sure the butter is on room temperature. Here I've taken the butter in a bowl and I've added the coriander leaves and garlic, just giving it a super quick mix. You just have to whisk it well. Make sure your butter is salted. If it is unsalted, please add a pinch of salt to this. And now let's begin to make this. Here I have taken a sliced bread and applying the same butter on this, and I have added extra butter, so please do it according to your choice. And here on the second slice, I'm just taking loads and lots of cheese. This is the grated mozzarella cheese. I'm just make sure even you fill the cheese even on the 4 ends, and then just keep this on the top, the butter one. And here was the second slice. I was just making ready so we can just keep 2 breads toast on a pan. Here only the top side I have applied the butter, and one I just wanted to show you guys that you can make a spicy version by just sprinkling some chili flakes and also some oregano. I loved it that way. Kids will love that nice pizza flavor on your garlic bread. So it's totally optional. You can do that or even you can skip them. Now just make sure you keep the flame on really low so that you do not burn your garlic bread. You just have to sprinkle some chili flakes on the other side of the spicy version. And here this would not take more than 2 minutes. Just make sure or wait till your cheese is melted and just keep a check that you do not burn your toast. And here nice golden color you have got. You can just wait till it gets slightly light brown so that it gives you that crispiness on the outer layer. And here my cheesy garlic bread was ready. I was cutting it into fingers with the help of scissors. You can make it 1 into 3 or 1 into 4 also, totally depending on your choice. If you're really impatient like how I was, you can just eat them just like that. And here is your cheesy garlic breadsticks ready. And now I'll show you how cheesy it is from inside. Make sure to have them hot from the pan. And here is that stretchiness of mozzarella cheese. Make sure to give a try on this immediately because something kept for later is never tried. So do give a try on this. Arrange some cheese and bread and make this for your kids and yourself, and do add on your calories but no issues. Without any guilt, have this, and I'm sure you all will love this. Do let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. And coming to our extra point, you can make this recipe with the cheese slabs too, instead of the mozzarella grated cheese. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures you have tried from my channel. I would really love to share it on my feed. Do not forget to tag me there on Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. And I really hope you all have subscribed the channel till now. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Stay home, stay safe and mask yourself. Bye bye.